How artificial intelligence is revolutionizing disaster management, saving lives and reducing impact. Welcome. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Emperor Artificial Intelligence, AI. Today, we're exploring a critical application of artificial intelligence, disaster management. From early warnings and disaster response to recovery and rebuilding, AI is helping us minimize the damage from natural disasters and save lives. Introduction to AI in disaster management. AI's capacity to process massive datasets in real time makes it an invaluable tool in predicting and responding to natural disasters. With AI, disaster management becomes more proactive, helping communities prepare, respond, and recover faster. From flood predictions to earthquake analysis, AI enables us to reduce risk and increase resilience. Quote, AI in disaster management isn't just about technology. It's about providing hope and safety in times of crisis. Pradeep, Immanuel. Notable. Quote, the time to repair the roof is when the sun is shining. John F. Kennedy. Early warning systems, predicting disasters before they happen. AI-powered early warning systems analyze weather patterns, seismic data, and historical records to predict potential disasters before they occur. This allows communities to prepare and evacuate, reducing the risk to human life. Example, imagine an AI system that monitors weather patterns and detects the early formation of hurricanes, sending alerts to vulnerable areas hours or even days in advance. This proactive alert system gives people time to take action, saving lives and reducing chaos. Quote, with AI, we can see the storm before it strikes, giving people a fighting chance. Pradeep, Immanuel. Notable quote, preparedness, when properly pursued, is a way of life, not a sudden spectacular program. Spencer W. Kimball, AI in real-time monitoring, tracking disasters as they unfold. During a disaster, AI-driven monitoring systems provide real-time updates on the situation, helping emergency responders allocate resources effectively. Using data from drones, satellite images, and ground sensors, AI provides insights into the scale and impact of the disaster as it happens. Example, imagine an AI system analyzing drone footage in real time to assess flood levels, detect trapped individuals, and identify safe evacuation routes. This real-time information enables quicker, targeted responses, increasing the effectiveness of rescue operations. Quote, in the face of disaster, AI is the steady hand guiding us through the unknown. Pradeep, Immanuel. Notable. Quote, disaster management is not only a matter of responding to calamities, but also about learning from each incident to improve future responses. Ban Ki-moon, predictive analytics for resource allocation. AI's predictive capabilities enable disaster management teams to allocate resources more efficiently based on expected needs. By analyzing data on past disasters, population density, and logistical requirements, AI can anticipate resource demands before they become critical. Example, consider an AI system that predicts areas most likely to require food, water, and medical aid during a disaster, helping relief organizations prepare in advance. This predictive approach allows for timely, focused relief efforts, minimizing suffering and chaos. Quote, in times of crisis, AI is the strategist, ensuring that help arrives exactly where it's needed. Pradeep, Immanuel. Notable quote, in an emergency, preparedness is everything. Craig Fugate, AI in post-disaster recovery, planning and reconstruction. After a disaster, AI assists in the recovery phase by analyzing damage and suggesting optimal reconstruction strategies. AI-based models can assess which areas need rebuilding, which infrastructure requires reinforcement, and how to allocate funds effectively. Example, imagine an AI system analyzing satellite imagery of a post-earthquake area, assessing which buildings are structurally safe and which need immediate repair. This helps local governments prioritize recovery efforts and optimize the use of resources for rebuilding. Quote, AI aids in rebuilding, turning ruins into resilience. Pradeep, Immanuel. Notable. Quote, our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Confucius AI for psychological support, addressing mental health in disaster recovery. AI tools are emerging to support the mental health of disaster survivors, helping them cope with trauma and stress through accessible resources and chatbots. These AI systems can provide supportive interactions, recommend mental health services, and offer helpful content to assist in recovery. Example: picture an AI chatbot providing calming exercises, grounding techniques, and local mental health resources to those affected by a disaster. This support helps survivors manage stress, fostering resilience and aiding in emotional recovery. Quote, in times of trauma, AI becomes a companion, offering comfort and guidance. Pradeep, Immanuel. Notable quote, mental health needs a great deal of attention. It's the final taboo, and it needs to be faced and dealt with. Adam Ant using AI to predict secondary disasters. AI not only predicts primary disasters, but also helps forecast secondary disasters, such as landslides after heavy rain or tsunamis after earthquakes. This secondary prediction capability enables communities to prepare for potential cascading effects. Example: imagine an AI system that predicts landslide-prone areas following a major storm by analyzing rainfall data, soil moisture, and terrain. This information allows emergency responders to take precautions in high-risk areas, protecting lives and infrastructure. Quote, AI's foresight reaches beyond the immediate, foreseeing risks yet to come. Pradeep, Immanuel. Notable. Quote, the future depends on what we do in the present. Mahatma Gandhi, ethical and privacy considerations in disaster management. As AI becomes integral to disaster management, it's essential to address ethical and privacy concerns, ensuring that data is used responsibly and transparently. AI in disaster management must prioritize humanitarian goals, protecting individuals' privacy while maximizing public safety. Quote, in disaster management, AI must always be the servant of humanity, guided by empathy and responsibility. Pradeep, Immanuel. Notable. Quote, the real test of progress is not whether we add more to the abundance of those who have much. It is whether we provide enough for those who have little. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Final thoughts. AI is transforming disaster management, providing tools to predict, respond to, and recover from natural disasters with greater precision and speed. Here at Emperor Artificial Intelligence, AI, we're excited to share how this technology is helping save lives and strengthen communities. Call to action. If this video showed you the life-saving potential of AI, please like, share, and subscribe to Emperor Artificial Intelligence, AI, for more insights into technology's role in disaster management. Comment below with your thoughts on how AI can further improve disaster response and resilience. Thank you for watching. For more great content, be sure to explore our other channels: Emperor University, Emperor Artificial Intelligence, AI, Emperor Science and Fiction, Sci-Fi, Emperor Nature, Emperor Aviation, Emperor Entertainment, and Emperor Music. Links to each channel are in the description below.